Jai Sriman Narayana Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Sanvika, mid junior category. I live in India. Today I am going to chant Venkateshwara Stotram written by Prativadhi Bhayankaram Annam. Kamalakuchachuchuka kumkumato niyatarunitatul-neelatanu Kamalayatalochana-lokapate Vijayi bhava Venkatashailapate Sachadurmukha Shanmukha Panchamukha Pramukha Kila Daivatamaulimane Saranagata Vatsala Saranidhe Paripalaya Mam Vrishasailapate Ativelataya Tava Durvishahairanuvela Kritat Aparadasatai Varitam Tvaritam Vrishasailapate Paraya Krupaya Paripahi Hare Adhivenkatasaila-mudharamate Janata-bhimatadikadaranataat Paradevataya gatitan nigamai Kamaladayitan param kalaye Kalavenurava-vasagopavadu Satakoti-vritat smara-koti-samat Prativallabhikari matat sukadat Vasudeva sutana param kalaye Abhirama gunakaradhasarade Jagadekadhanurtharadhiramate Raghunayaka Rama Ramesa Vibho Varado Bhavadeva Daya Jalade Avanitanaya Kamaniyakaram Rajanikaracharumukamburuham Rajanichara-rajutamo mihiram Mahaniyamaham Raghuramamaye Sumukam suhradam sulabham sukadam Svanujam cha sukhai amogasaram Apahaya ragudvahamanyamaham Akadanchana kanchana jatu bhaje Vina Venkatesam nanado nanadas sada Venkatesam Smarami smarami Hare Venkatesa prasida prasida Priyam Venkatesa prayacha prayacha Aham durataste padamboja yugma Praname gaya gaccha sevam karomi Sakrit sevaya nitya sevam phalam tvam Prayacha prayacha prabhu Venkatesa Ajnanina maya dosa aseshan vihitan hare Kshamasvatvam kshamasvatvam Shesasaila-sikhamane Shantakaram bhujagasayanam Padmanabham suresam Vishwadaram gaganasadrisham Meghavarnam shubhangam Lakshmikantam kamalanayanam Yogirudhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham